Dear students, welcome to online classes. In this semester, I am going to handling the subject cost accounting, and even though it is also a pure practical paper, so before entering into the subject details and subject introduction, let us have a look over the syllabus what you are going to study throughout this semester. Overall, you have 5 units, and cost accounting is a new kind of concept to you people. So it's basics about cost accounting. So let us see what are the chapters that you are going to study in the semester. So overall, you have 5 units. So all 5 units are practical in nature. So unit one is going to elaborate you that what is the purpose of cost accounting and what are the importance of cost accounting and objectives, and we have simple problems on some basic cost sheets and costing information. And you need to have to showcase about the material cost control. It's you have to analyze about the different techniques while dealing with material cost control. And unit 3 is about labor cost control, and here you can come across the different methods and techniques of calculating labor and how you are going to elaborate the labor cost control. And unit 4 is about the overhead cost control. Here you can come across the what is the purpose of costing, different types of costing, and what are different types of overheads, what are the reasons for this overheads. And unit 5 is about reconciliation of cost and financial accounts. So again, it's a reconciliation of cost sheet as well as financial accounts. So all these 5 units are pretty practical in nature, and each and every unit has one 14 marks question and one 6 marks and 2 marks each, except unit 5. So unit 5 we have expect only one 14 marks question and one 2 marks question. So apart from all that four remaining 1 to 4, you can expect one 14 marks, one 6 marks and 2 marks. Especially in first chapter is little important, because you can going to learn about the what is the basic purpose of cost accounting, and what are different theoretical perspective of cost accounting. So you can expect one 2 6 marks questions here, one 6 marks theory one you can expect one question here, and one practical question also you can expect, and even though you can expect one 40 mark question too. So this is what about your syllabus. You have overall 5 units so far. So let us start with unit 1, introduction to cost accounting. So before going to study about the cost accounting details, so let us have a look over what are different types of accounting. Basically, accounting might be classified into three types. One is financial accounting, cost accounting, management accounting. So financial accounting, all you studied in your first semester, financial accounting, advanced financial accounting. And you want to look at the cost accounting, you're going to study in your fourth semester, and it's continuing in fifth and sixth also, different in the in other names. And management accounting that you're going to study in next year. So basically accounting might be classified into three types. One is financial accounting, cost accounting, and management accounting. Hope you learned very well about financial accounting. Now it's time to look and learn about the cost accounting. What is cost accounting and what is the purpose of existing cost accounting, and why the reasons of existing cost accounting. So let us have a look about the cost accounting. So before we are going to discuss about what is cost accounting, what is the necessity of studying cost accounting, we have to analyze once what do you mean by financial accounting, or else what do you mean by accounting. So accounting, we all know it's the art of recording all transactions, classifying, summarizing, analyzing, and interpreting the results thereof. That is what we consider as accounting. So we can conclude with the same definition even what called as financial accounting. So the name indicates it is going to disclose some information about the financial activities of the business. So with the help of that, we can prepare two statements, that is P&L account and balance sheet. So profit and loss account showcases the operational efficiency of the business, whereas balance sheet showcases the financial position of the business. That is what the purpose and objectives of studying financial accounting. Do you think is this sufficient for nowadays, or is this financial information is sufficient? So obviously not. So financial information provides the only the financial aspects of the business up to legally. That is what we consider as financial accounting, whereas financial accounting is not suitable for the decision making process also. So because it lacks So we have a lot of drawbacks of financial accounting. The accounting based on historical data, the accounting based on historical data, etc. So we should have a lot of drawbacks of financial accounting. So moreover, the financial information is not sufficient to take the decisions making very fast and quickly. So we have a lot of drawbacks in financial accounting. Due to drawbacks of financial accounting, obviously it gives a scope for existing of one more kind of accounting considered as cost accounting. So what is cost accounting? So usually the cost accounting work is to identify or ascertain the actual cost incurred to produce a unit. That is what we consider as cost accounting. So the reasons for existing cost accounting is because of various drawbacks of financial system or financial accounting. Moreover, the financial accounting information is not at all sufficient to make a strategic decision making. At the same time, the financial accounting does not touch any of the production activities. So, because we have a different entire business or entire future course of economical act depends upon how about depends on our production levels and production activities, how we are going to control manage costs. So the financial accounting files to do that work. So the management need all those information, the management need to be accounted of all the costs incurred to produce the unit, so they can go with a new kind of accounting what we consider as cost accounting. So what is cost accounting? So cost accounting means actual cost. Though the main term used here, it's a process or technique or actual cost incurred to produce a unit. Actual cost incurred to produce a unit. That is what we consider as cost accounting here. ಸೊ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರಾಗಿ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರಾಪರಾಗಿ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕೂ ಫೈಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ವಿತ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್. So that is what we consider as meaning of cost accounting. So you can see one more definition here. What do you mean by costing? What do you mean by cost accounting? What do you mean by cost accountancy? And we can see the first term, costing. So costing means what here? The Chartered Institute of Management Accounts, what we call as CIMA of UK, defined costing as the techniques and process of ascertaining the costs. So the techniques and process of ascertaining the cost, what we consider as costing. And already ಅದನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಆಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಕರ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಯೂನಿಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ಸ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್, ಟು ನೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್. That is what we consider as costing. And you can see one more term here, cost accounting. So before cost accounting, we can see about point A and point B defines where we can use the costing methods or cost accounting techniques. Any manufacturing unit product, like example motor car, furniture, chemical, steel, paper, etc., and cost of providing a service like electricity, transport, education. So here all we have a scope of using costing techniques. And we can see one more meaning here, cost accounting. Cost accounting means what? So cost accounting means, so here what accountancy will do, it's a systematic recording of all financial transactions. Like the same way we can define cost accounting also, it's a systematic recording of all costing related information to a product. That is what we consider as cost accounting. Same we can expect it here also. Cost accounting is a formal system of accounting for costs in the books of account by means which cost of products or services are ascertained or controlled. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಏನಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಯೂನಿಟ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ನ ನಾವು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತಹ ಬುಕ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತೀವಿ, ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. And we can see one more meaning here, cost accountancy. So here accountancy defines, you can find difference here. So here accounting here refers to controlling of costing activities. Accountancy here refers to on what basis you are going to record the activities. ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ಬೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ಸ್ನ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ನಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಅಕೌಂಟೆನ್ಸಿ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟೆನ್ಸಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟೆನ್ಸಿ refers to what? Cost accountancy is a very wide term. It means and includes the principles, conventions, techniques, systems which are employed in a business to plan and control the utilization of its resources. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ದ ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟೆನ್ಸಿ ಅಂದರೆ on what basis, on what principles, on what conventions, on what procedures, on what techniques you are going to ascertain the cost. So that is what we consider as cost accountancy antivi. So that is what the three terms: costing, cost accounting and cost accountancy. Overall, the existing of cost accounting is to drawbacks of financial accounting. Moreover, what is the purpose of cost accounting? What do you mean by cost accounting? It refers to the process of ascertaining the actual cost incurred to produce a unit and model. These are the basic terms of costing.